Hey, good morning, Robin. This is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for taking the time to click this video and give it a watch. I spoke to Jennifer in the office earlier on in the week about sending you this quick video on some things you guys could do to bring in more customers through your website. Now, if you're wondering why I'm making the video, I just find that a lot of business owners don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for themselves. Typically, the only thing that holds them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So, at the end of the video, you find that I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve and could be a benefit for you guys' business. Definitely give me a call back. I'd love to talk more about it. And again, if you just wanted to take this information and apply it yourself and run with it, be my guest. I just hope you find it helpful as also. What I want to go over is how to make you guys' website more of an authority, how to get you more trust in the eyes of Google, and how to rank you guys locally in Google's Map Pack. Okay, so starting off, just a quick review of your actual website. There's no denying it. I don't know, it looks like professional work, right? I'm gonna be point blank. I don't think that if you guys did this yourself, you did a fantastic job. But this looks like a professional has already come in here and done the web development for you guys. But to be transparent with you, right, and give you the information I know to be true and proven is, unfortunately, Google is not concerned with the overall aesthetic of the website. It goes a long way with the consumers, right? Like as humans, we're visual creatures, so this stuff it looks modern, it looks trustworthy, and it looks professional. But to get ranked organically in Google search results, their priority is content, right? Content is king in their eyes. Again, I'm not looking at a blank website here, but it would benefit you guys to have at least 1,500, if not 2,000 words of content on your homepage, and then at least 500 words of content on each of these back pages, okay? And I'll tell you why is because the average homepage on Google has at least 1,800 words. So again, you want to be sitting in that sweet range of 1,500 to 2,000 words to get you guys rank. You have a better chance of ranking higher for the keywords that you guys are ranking for because you do have good ones in the content. You just need more content for it to kind of work the algorithm better. Another thing too, before I move over to trust, let me see. Okay, so yeah, this is another thing too is all your like images. See how that's just saved as logo? You can go back and save that as like Pflugerville HVAC repairer or Austin, Texas HVAC contractor, right? That each one of these images, because you guys do have a lot of them, that's a huge opportunity to rank for some more of those keywords, okay? So that'll also supplement more content and help you guys rank for those keywords you want to be found for, okay? I'm hopping over to a tool we use called Ahrefs. It costs us about $1,000 a month, but it just gives us extremely valuable data that goes on in the back end of your website, as well as your competitors, and lets us see what they're doing correctly, so we can help you guys out as well. Okay. So how to gain more trust is all based on how many other relevant websites you guys have referring back to you, right? And I'll go in here and see. The main thing is, right, like what Google's concerned about is you guys are an HVAC company. They're not going to be too fond of having like a bunch of coupon websites or, for example, like pizza companies pointing back to you because you guys don't make pizzas. It just throws things off. Let me see. Like I know Muzu is a big one. Not everybody has it, but if you guys go make an account on Muzu, that's muzu.com. I don't know if you have to. I believe it's paid, but you guys can make an account there and then have your website basically linked back to you from their website as well, and that'll give you some power. I have Austin Precision Heat and AC. These guys pop up at the top of the organic search results, just to kind of show you some of the backlinks that they have. Give me 1 second. Should have had this page up first. Now my laptop's freezing. Goodness gracious, I apologize. Okay. But okay, here we go. Thank goodness. So Muzu is like a good one. City of Austin directory, like Austin, Texas businesses, like BizHat, iHeart, it's probably not the best. Austin Energy is probably okay. See, like, literally go in here and find some of the relevant HVAC backlinks that your competitors have, and you guys can take the same ones. It may cost you money, you may have to make accounts with them, but you can definitely steal some of that trust, okay? The last thing is how to get you guys ranked locally in Google's Map Pack. Again, somebody that hasn't ever heard from you guys or been referred to you, they're going to make a generic search, something along the lines of like HVAC contractor, Austin, Texas. Statistically, people skip these ads because they either A, have ad blockers, or B, just don't trust them. So a lot of the business for new customers will go to these people that are ranked in these local spots. All it's based on is how many citations you have. All a citation is how many times your business name, phone number, and address are listed uniformly in different directories throughout the internet, like Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Craigslist, Home Advisor, Facebook is even one. But yeah, literally same thing. Go find the exact same directories that Precision is in. Add yourself to the same ones, and then put yourself in about 50 more on top of that, and you guys will definitely take over one of these top spots in this local map pack. Okay. But yeah, Miss Robin, that's all I got for you. I know it was a ton of information. Just a quick recap. Again, you guys' website looks good. I wouldn't change anything with the format. The only thing you guys would need to do is add more content, and it's going to favor you guys in ranking for the keywords that you want to be found for. If you don't have enough content, Google's not it, you're not going to play the algorithm right, and it just looks like you're stuffing keywords rather than actually putting enough information to answer consumers' questions. Trust factor. Make sure moving forward, you guys are only getting backlinks from relevant websites, or you guys will shoot yourself in the foot. And citations, go find the exact same citations and directories that Precision's listed in. Add yourself to the same ones and at least 25 to 50 more on top of that. But yeah, Miss Robin, that's all I got. I'm going to get this video over to you shortly. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, or any feedback at all, I would definitely appreciate it. Want to make sure I'm giving good information out there. And like I said, if you guys want to take this and apply it yourself and run with it, that works totally fine with me. In the off opportunity, you did want to talk about more, about what we could do to be able to help you guys out. I'd love the opportunity to do so. Again, my name is Peter Gilpin. I'm with SEO Dallas, Texas, and my number is 682-269-6391. Again, that's 682-269-6391. Thanks so much, Robin. You have a great day. Bye.